Hello everybody, hi, my name is Theo and welcome to my reaction to Chainsaw Man episode 3. So yeah, the pacing of this anime is insane, the characters are all very lovely. We have, as of now, Denji, Makima, Maki and Power. Maki and Power currently for me in the best girl competition, and it's pretty close between either of them, I'd say. But yeah, let's see if we get even more characters this episode or if it's just gonna focus on the main trio, I would say, of Aki, Denji and Power for now, and them getting their bond in their first real mission. We already saw Power's power, or at least ability, with her blood hammer, so let's see if it picks up right there. As always, if you want to watch the full-length timer reaction together with me, where you can sync up your own episodes to mine, then you can check out my Patreon down in the description below. There's a link to it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the episode. Ooh, we're starting off right at the end of last episode. Ooh, Akima. Oh, so that's a law. It's both of the faults? What? The blood devil, okay. Oh. Touchy subject. What? No, she's lying. Absolutely not. Oh. Only humans lie. Nice shot, I guess. Oh. She's respectful in front of Makima, I guess. Come on. I wonder how many boob shots we're gonna get. Probably. Oh. Oh. Another cat. At least she's nice to cats. Oh. Hate as an instinct. That's interesting. Oh. Oh, so she's working from a pet complex as well. I hear the chainsaw dog. What the fuck? Come on, Denji. You don't need to understand him. He's not normal. What? That gave him all the motivation he needed. Oh. I wonder who that shark guy is. If he's some kind of fiend as well. And the angel girl. Like, if they're devils, are there angels? She has to get that approved. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Ah, good point. Come on, listen to her. He is? Hmm? Oh, she's talking about the saying. But Pochita is literally in life. In his chest. Speaking of chest. There's more. Excuse me? International stuff? Huh. Hunting dogs. So power is promising. Not getting attached. I really want to see Makima's way of thinking, or he would say that. Giving us no answer? Oh. Huh. Okay. Is there a devil? Devil? A chainsaw devil. Okay. Denji is as well. I mean, not a very good goal, but still. Well, he might become friends with Power, so he's not that far off. Okay, so go in there, kill the devil, get the cat back. Does she not know? She doesn't believe him. Yeah, so why is she coming? He's not gonna get trapped twice in, what, 3 days? Oh. Okay, she's faster than him, I guess. Please don't be evil. I really like you. I don't want you to be evil. Is this where she gets people to eat? Oh. There's a boss. Oh, that's devil. Ugh. Is it even gonna be human blood? Right, they can't regenerate without blood. I can't imagine it tastes good with, you know, half blood, half devil, half human blood. If he immediately goes on a rampage, wouldn't he be immediately exercised again? Oh, no friends with power. So the cat was a lie? Guess he has good senses. Yeah. Oh, the cat is real. Huh. Oh no. Of course, we get backstory. That song again. I don't think you should give a cat milk. Like there's specific kinds of milk for cats, but not oh. Huh. Oh. Oh. That was a quick deal then. He just snuck up on her and grabbed the cat. Well, shit. Are you gonna apologize? just giving up? What the hell? Ugh. I don't like this devil. Oh. Oh, yes, ripcord. Oh, Pochita. I miss him. You can forgive her. Nothing awful happened yet, right? And now we're ready for some carnage. That's the exact same wound he had before, right? Oh. Are they gonna land here? Oh, yes. Okay. He still cares about people. But isn't she technically already dead? Wouldn't that be necrophilia? More civilians. I guess the bad devil is stronger than the zombie devil. Oh. Oh. You getting... Yeah, that's new. Because it's the right thing. Oh, what? Oh yeah. Got hit. Ew. Ah, bad sound. Attack. Good. Because he's the main protagonist. Denji, we gotta work on your motivation. You're doing good things, but for the wrong reasons. Devils are immediately scared when it gets serious. Oh, the animation. And finishing blow. Did he free power and MEOWY? We didn't get to see. No. But that's a different ending again. We're not gonna get a different ending for each episode, right? They're either gonna stay on this ending or rotate through all of the ones that we got. Okay, so Power isn't dead, right? There's no way. There wouldn't be as much hype for her and, you know, as much she's best girl and everything if she did die here. They wouldn't do what they are doing to Pochita and only show her through flashbacks in other characters' minds. So yeah, she definitely survived, in my opinion. But yeah, so much more information in this episode. We found out that Power is the Blood Devil, and I think at this point we can say that there is really only one devil of each kind, and they are each, I guess, getting power by how much the thing that they are is feared. So Chainsaw Devil is apparently pretty strong, even though Pochita wasn't. Coffee Devil would be pretty weak. And the Car Devil, I wonder what that would look like. I've heard some stuff about Makima's car, and, you know, people that are excited for the anime. She's not gonna have the Car Devil as her car, right? There's no way. But yeah, Makima is getting more and more interesting with her speaking to the higher-ups that are having trouble with the Americans and the Russians. Because apparently this is an international thing that's happening, and other countries might not like them using devils and fiends and everything for devil hunting. Because that's actually quite extreme. Because apparently even fiends and devils are underlying some kind of rules, like when a civilian hunter claimed the devil, you aren't allowed to kill it for him. It's really weird. But yeah, more rules and some power backstory. She had a cat, and that was the only thing that she didn't kill, because she kind of enjoyed that the cat didn't scream each time she was seen by the cat. But then I guess the bad devil was pretty sneaky, grabbed the cat and immediately forced her to do the things that she did. Yeah, last thing I guess, Denji's motivation. I really hope that he achieves his goal next episode and he can move on to the next one, because if he's just gonna get baited over and over and he doesn't actually ever get to do the first step, it's gonna get old very quickly. I get the joke was almost getting old within the episode, but I still enjoyed it, so it's fine. I just hope that they are building on that in the future. And yeah, right, because I watched other reactions like Semblance of Sanity and the Normies, I know now that the Chainsaw Man author and the Jujutsu Kaisen author are fans of each other. So of course there's gonna be parallels, like, you know, the main trio, the black-haired, straight-laced, very cold dude, the main character that's been possessed kind of by a devil, and the girl with the hammer. So that's pretty fun. Makima, the not cold, but I still think that she's overpowered, but we haven't seen anything that would indicate that. I don't know why I think that Makima is really strong, but I hope that she is, and I hope that we get to see her fight soon. But yeah, I love Jujutsu Kaisen, and if Chainsaw Man is going in a similar direction, I'm gonna love it as well. And as of these first 3 episodes, it's doing a pretty good job of that. So yeah, I really enjoyed this episode and this show. So it would be great if you subscribe, ring the bell icon and like this video. That way you can be reminded when I upload the next episode and watch it together with me again. But yeah, after all that, I guess I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, bye bye.